Welcome to Sister's Kitchen India. To subscribe my channel, please click on the red subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell button to get daily notifications. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare chili mushrooms. So let's check the ingredients. To prepare chili mushrooms, here we have taken 250 grams of mushrooms. We have already washed them and cut them into pieces. Here we have taken some chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies. Here we have taken some chopped onions. Next we have taken some capsicums chopped. Here we have taken 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Here we have taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour along with 2 tablespoons of maida. We have taken 1 egg, some salt to taste. Next we have taken some soy sauce and some black pepper powder. So in the first step we need to marinate our mushroom pieces. Here we are adding 1 egg into this. Next I am adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour along with 2 tablespoons of plain flour or all-purpose flour. Next I am adding some salt according to taste. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt. Next I am adding some black pepper powder into this. And after that I'll marinate it properly and keep it in the refrigerator for almost 1 hour. In the second step, we need to fry our mushroom pieces. Here we have taken some white oil into our karai. Now I am going to fry them one by one. We'll be frying them for almost 10 minutes till the color of the mushroom become little brown. As you can see friends, our mushrooms has become fried properly. Now we are going to take them out into another plate. And just like the same way, we are going to fry all our mushroom pieces. Next we are going to prepare gravy for our chili mushroom. As you can see, we have taken the same oil in which we are going to add some chopped green chilies, garlic and ginger, and we'll be cooking it for almost 5 minutes till the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes off. We'll fry them in a high to medium flame. As you can see friends, they have fried properly. Now I am going to add our chopped onions into this and I'll be frying it in high flame for almost 5 minutes. As you can see friends, onions has fried properly. Now I am adding our chopped capsicum into this. Next I am adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce into this and I'll saute it properly. After sauteing it for some time, I'll be adding some black pepper powder into this. Now I'll mix them properly, and after mixing them I'll be adding our 3 tablespoon tomato ketchup into this and mix them again. As you can see, these vegetables has fried properly. Now I'm going to add our fried mushroom pieces into this and mix it with them properly. After mixing them, now I'll be adding some salt according to your taste. I'm not adding much salt because we have already added soy sauce before. Now I'll be frying it for almost 3 minutes. Next I am going to add some corn flour slurry into this to thicken the gravy. I'll mix it properly and cook it for almost 1 minute. Friends, our dry chili mushroom is absolutely ready to eat. Thank you.